What do you mean nobody's gonna watch you? Oh, man.
Somebody's at the door.
It's me, you old fool.
I'm the oldest boy, name of Carl.
In my experience, there's no such thing as luck.
I pity myself that I gotta be with these fools.
Why is the rum always gone?
You will never find the more wretched hive of scum and villainy.
That's right, 'cause it's my birthday, my birthday.
Meep, meep. Meep, meep. Meep, meep.
I love you. You complete me.
Ready, Ike? Kick the baby.
Don't kick the baby.
Kick the baby.
He's crazy.
I am the voice of Night Industry 2000's microprocessor. KITT for easy reference. A kit if you prefer.
You ought not done that to you, boy.
Pizza, pizza.
Those big cons are gonna love you, eh?
What do you mean?
You're a cute little guy. They're gonna be loving you from dawn until dusk. Eh?
Turn!
Where are you gonna be?
I'll be in the cafeteria selling smokes.
Houston, we have a problem.
He likes the way I talk, and I like the way he talks. Mm-hmm.
Oh, gnarly!
I'm Rick James, bitch.
When 900 years old you reach, look as good you will not.
Hail to the king, baby.
Morning, dickhead.
Hello, moron.
I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog, too.
That's it? That's all? That sucked.